Ever wondered how to raise a pet at home? It's a delightful journey filled with joy, companionship, and yes, a touch of responsibility. Whether it's a playful pup, a cuddly kitten, or a chirpy bird, each pet has unique needs and requirements that we, as pet parents, must understand and fulfill. It's not just about feeding and playtime, it's about creating an environment where they can thrive. So, are you ready for this rewarding journey? Stay tuned as we delve into the simple steps of raising a pet at home. The first step in raising a pet at home is choosing the right one. The perfect pet isn't just about its adorable looks or playful nature, it's also about how well it fits into your world. Consider the pet's size. If you're living in a small apartment, a smaller breed might be a better fit than a larger one. And if you have a big backyard, you might want to consider a pet that loves to run and play outdoors. The breed and type of pet are also important. Some pets require more attention and care than others. For instance, certain dog breeds are known to be more active and require more exercise. Don't forget about the pet's lifespan. Some pets can live for decades, so you need to be prepared for a long-term commitment. Last but not least, think about your lifestyle. If you're often out of the house, a pet that requires constant attention might not be the best choice. Remember, the right pet is the one that suits your lifestyle, home, and family. Once you've found your perfect pet, it's time to prepare your home. Pet proofing is a crucial first step. Just as you would for a curious toddler, you'll need to remove small objects that could be swallowed, secure loose wires, and ensure chemicals or medicines are out of reach. Next, carve out a dedicated space for your new companion. This could be a cozy corner with a pet bed, or a larger area if you're welcoming a more active creature. This space should be safe, comfortable, and filled with the comforting scent of home. Now let's talk about essential supplies. Depending on your pet, these might include food and water dishes, toys, grooming tools, and perhaps a litter box or pet carrier. Remember, each pet is unique and their needs will vary. Investing time in these preparations will pay off in the long run. It's about creating a welcoming environment where your pet feels secure and loved. A well-prepared home makes for a happy and safe pet. Now that you've got the perfect pet and a prepared home, it's time to learn about basic pet care. Feeding your pet regularly is a must. It's crucial to provide a balanced diet appropriate for their age, size, and health status. Remember, overfeeding can lead to obesity, which can cause serious health problems. Just like us, pets need clean water to stay hydrated and healthy. Always ensure that fresh water is available for them to drink. Exercise is also integral to your pet's well-being. It helps keep their weight in check, strengthens their muscles, and keeps their mind sharp. Whether it's a walk around the block, a game of fetch, or a swim in the pond, make sure your pet gets enough physical activity each day. Grooming is more than just keeping your pet looking good. Regular brushing helps remove dead hair, dirt, and dandruff. It also encourages blood circulation, improving the overall health of your pet's skin and coat. Regular veterinary care is essential to keep your pet in top shape. Regular checkups can catch any potential health issues early. Vaccinations, parasite control, and dental care are also vital aspects of veterinary care. Training and socialization play a significant role in your pet's mental health. Training provides mental stimulation, while socialization exposes your pet to different animals, people, and experiences, promoting their overall well-being. Remember, a healthy pet is a happy pet. To sum up, raising a pet at home can be a rewarding experience. We've covered some essential aspects throughout this video that will help you make this journey smoother and more fulfilling. Starting with choosing the right pet. Remember, it's not just about what you want, but also about what kind of pet fits your lifestyle, family dynamics, and living conditions. An informed decision can pave the way for a beautiful bond between you and your new companion. Once you've made your choice, preparing your home is the next vital step. Making your space safe and comfortable for your pet will ensure that they settle in easily and feel loved. Lastly, we discussed basic pet care. Providing proper nutrition, regular exercise, and timely veterinary care are key to your pet's health and happiness. Never underestimate the power of love and attention. With love, patience, and proper care, you can raise a happy and healthy pet at home. Thank you for tuning in.